Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry tables easily. First, let's review the 6 fundamental trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. These ratios relate the angles of a right-angled triangle to the lengths of its sides. We'll focus on the common angles: 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. Mastering these foundational concepts is your first step to building a strong understanding. Let's dive into a clever trick for sine and cosine values. Imagine your left hand with fingers representing 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. For sine, count fingers below the angle, take the square root, and divide by 2. For cosine, count fingers above the angle, take the square root, and divide by 2. This visual method makes memorization much simpler and more intuitive for these core functions. Now let's tackle tangent and the reciprocal ratios. Once you have sine and cosine, finding tangent is straightforward. Simply divide the sine value by the cosine value for each angle. Remember, tangent is undefined when cosine is 0. For cosecant, secant, and cotangent, just take the reciprocal of sine, cosine, and tangent respectively. This systematic approach helps you build the entire table logically. Consistent practice is key to mastering the trigonometry table. Regularly write out the table from memory and solve various problems that apply these ratios to right-angled triangles. This reinforces your understanding and builds confidence. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural these values become. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll ace trigonometry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.